have a Temu haul to share with you guys. You can buy from Temu at temu.com or downloading their app to your phone. And I have a coupon code to share with you guys. It is off4235, and I'll save you 30% if you are a new user. So I got a lot of stuff. Now, this stuff I did pay for myself. They do send me items from time to time, but I do a lot of purchasing from them. So I've been wanting one of these little micro mini notebooks. So this one came in a variety of colors, but I chose black. And then when you open it, this is grid paper. They do have some that comes with line paper, so just look at the listing. And then I didn't realize that it came with these little like pockets that are like this little plastic. I thought that is so cute. I was not expecting that. So, excuse me. This one was $3.28. So I want to do like little daily scrapbooks out of this one. And then I got this pack of soap. It was $1.98 and it comes with 5 pieces. And now the photo was like a variety of colors. So I was kind of surprised when I got 3 pinks and 2 purples, because I think there was like clear and a blue and a green. But these I want to stick in my car because there's times where I just want to wash my hands. You know, like you're in a store or something and you just want to like clean up, and sometimes hand sanitizer just doesn't do it. So I thought these would be nice because they are little soap sheets. There we go. So I always keep a bottle of water in my car to wash my hands with, like to rinse my hands off. So I thought these would be nice to have. So they are just little sheets. So you just go ahead and put your water on here, then you scrub your hands together, and then you make like little suds. So I definitely want to try that out and put that in my car. So I thought that was a good little find on there. Then, for not even $2, I think that's a really good deal. And then I got this one. Okay, so this was $1.48. Now, I did not realize that the little Christmas tree was going to come in a yellow. I thought it would have been a green. So I literally bought this because I wanted the little tree. So I thought the packaging was really cute. And I thought, how cute would it be to like wire wrap some beads and put in here for Christmas? And then here are the erasers that come with it. So you can definitely stick an eye screw through the top of these and then turn these into little charms. Or if you have kids and you want to give it to them to use for school eraser. But yeah, I basically wanted it for the container. So when it came in a yellow, I was kind of like, oh, well, that's kind of a bust. So I'm going to have to see if I could go ahead and paint that. I have some gold spray paint, so maybe I'll try to spray paint that one. And then storage. I am always looking for storage, especially with all the little knickknacks and stuff that I've been getting from Temu. This was $5.29. So I liked this one. Again, if it has a double closure, I'm all about it. I'm going to buy it just for that fact alone. But I like that the inside, you can take out each little compartment. So there's a dozen compartments in here. And then you just go ahead and you can take this out and just use just this one. So you don't have to like open up a whole case. You could just, take out what you need and just use that one. And then, you have your whole case here. So I wanted to, buy it first, check out the quality, see if I liked it. But this one I think is definitely going to be a repeat buy. Like I'm going to go back in and add it back to my cart so I can buy more on my next purchase. This is a repeat buy. This is 10 pieces for 88 cents. I have received this from them. I have bought this from them. I love using these little containers. So the last time I used this, I put some Maggie Holmes sequins in here, and then I put a belly band around it, and then that's how I sent out my sequins mix. It's really cute if you want to add little charms. Like you can see, you could go ahead and add these little erasers in there. And then you just close this up, and then you can send this out in some Happy Mail. Like these are really, really handy. They are a great size for a Happy Mail. If you want to do like a bunch of wire wrap beads, you could go ahead and stick it in here. If you are trying to organize your beads or your charms, these are really nice as well. So this is basically this, but this comes with the extra container. So I think this is well worth it just for the extra container. So that way, you have everything all nice and organized. But I mean, 88 cents for 10 of those, like you can't beat that. That is just such a great deal for that. Then I got, so this is wax paper for your food, but I want to use this in my junk journal, my Alice in Wonderland themed junk journal. So this was $3.68, and I did buy another pack. So after I found these pink heart ones, I found these pink roses, I found some heart ones. So these are going to be really cute. So I'm going to add this as like a page in for my junk journal, but these would be really cute as well to make like little envelopes out of. So I think I'm going to do that as well, as cut this down and make little envelopes. Oh, you can even do like little coin envelopes. Like do something like this and then have it be like a pocket up here. Like, yeah, there's so many different varieties. So I'm going to do a bunch of different projects with these because I just think they're really pretty, and you get 50 sheets. So that's really good for under $4. Then I wanted some felt. This was $4.58. You get 40 sheets, and I don't know how big these are, but you get a whole variety of color. Like there is multiple colors of brown, a couple colors of gray, a couple colors of purple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 7 different colors of blue, probably like another 7 different colors of green, and then from orange to yellow, then multiple pinks, and then the orange on top. So I just thought this was going to be a nice variety. I want to cut out my metal dies and use this felt for projects. I just think it'd be really pretty just to, you know, add a little bit of texture. I love texture for my projects, so that's going to be really nice to have. Then Halloween. You guys know how much I love Halloween, and I wanted to get a head start. So I saw these shovels. Okay, I tell you guys the time to read the description boxes so you know what you're getting, but I never personally do it myself. I am just such a hardhead that I gotta learn from my mistakes. So this was $4.89, but there is 100 shovels in here, you guys. What am I gonna do with 100 of these? I just thought like, oh, $5, that's really cheap. You know, like how many could come in that? Well, apparently a lot. So I got these little guys. So what I want to do is send these out with my sequence mixes. Gonna go ahead and put a little chunky charm and a couple little beads and a little dangle off of here. I did receive one from my twin Pat, I think last year or the year before. She had given me one. We share the same birthday, so I call her my little twin there. And yeah, it's just so cute. So I definitely wanted to make some of those. So yeah, I'm gonna get a head start on Halloween, and I have a bunch of those now. And see, this was $2.08. They are 50 stickers, and these are poison labels, which I thought were so cool. So you see right on top, we got mermaid tears. So you can just go ahead and put this onto a jar, like it's a little label. There is just a ton of just really cool, like look at how pretty that is. And you guys know I am all about Halloween, and ooh, magic mushrooms, and what is this? Unicorn horn powder. So yeah, just really cool like bottle labels. So can use that in scrapbooking, actually put them on jars. So love that. I kind of feel like I should have got 2, because I could have done some for like decor around the house on bottles, and then some I could have done for scrapbooking. And it didn't look like any of those were repeat stickers. So yeah, probably gonna go back and add another set of those to my cart. And I'll leave a link down below with all of these items, so it makes it really easy for you guys to go ahead and find. I got a ton of different charms. These have the year on it. So we are going on a Disney cruise at the end of the year, and my mom is making some crocheted ornaments, and she wanted to put the year and then possibly an anchor. So I just went on Temu and just bought every single set that I can find on there. So there's more of these charms in there, and I'll show you guys when I find those. Then I wanted some metal tape for my birthday challenge a couple years ago. Somebody had done like their whole cover of an embellishment box using this metal tape, and I just loved it, and I've been wanting to make one ever since. And it was only $1.38. So yeah, this is going to be a lot of fun to play with. I'll definitely do a video on using that, because I just think it's really, really unique and something really interesting to go ahead and try. So my mom wanted little eyebrow stencils, so I got these for $1.38, and I don't know how many come in here, but you're supposed to be able to just put this up to your eyebrow and then like fill it in. So let's see. So there you go. You just put this up to your eyebrow and then fill in that portion, and then go ahead and flip it over the other side and then fill it in again. So she's really excited for these. So she's like, hurry up and give me my eyebrows. I'm like, let me go record it, and then I'll give you your eyebrows. Then look, you got like a little eyebrow. I kind of want to save this. I wonder if I could paint this and like put it on like a project or something. I think that would be really funny. Oh, but then I only have one eyebrow, huh? Okay. No, then they're all different shapes, so I'll have to think about that. Like, here's some more charms. Oh my gosh. So I am very much like a sassy, sarcastic person. So I had to get these little like sarcastic sayings because I just thought that they were so funny. So there's like spoiler alert. I do that to Sunny all the time, like spoiler alert, and then I'll tell him something, and then annoyed at first sight. And then I work out, just kidding. I take naps. Like, that's just so funny and so me. So I just thought that these were really funny and really cute. So I was like, yes, I definitely need that stamp set in my life because it'll go great for me and my crazy personality. So I got that one. And we have these little bows right here. These, oh, how much was the stamp set? $1.28 for the stamp set. And then these bows were $1.07. I don't remember how many pieces came, but they're like little mini bows. They're super cute. They're see-through. There's a bunch of different colors in here. So I just thought these are going to be really cute for some little beaded charms. And then I can unload this into my little storage container, which is going to be really nice. Honestly, I'll probably separate them by color because I just find that easier. Let's see. Let's save those. We have Alice in Wonderland here. I am going to be working on an Alice in Wonderland junk journal. This was called Alice Tea Party. It was $1.18. So anytime that I find something new of Alice in Wonderland on there, I just buy it. Oh, I should have got two of these. These are really nice. Oh, I love that Mad Hatter. Yeah, these are going to match my paper perfectly. So love that. I wonder if I got two of those. If I didn't, I should have. And let me finish getting more stuff out, and then I'll show you guys all of the charms that I got. Again, I wanted to do like mini little scrapbook layouts. That's what I got that little binder for. So I got some little sayings, and these are in a gold font, and I believe they had silver as well. So I got the gold ones because I like gold, and those were only 98 cents. Like, you cannot beat the price on some of this stuff. Like, it is just amazing. So I wonder what these say though. Let me take one out. How many sheets do you get? Oh, you get 2 sheets. So here's the first one. And in a blink of an eye, they're okay. Then here is the second one. Love is a crazy thing because I love you. This one's more cute. So there's those. I could definitely use that for my little scrapbooking that I want to do. These I just thought were absolutely beautiful. 88 cents. I got the multicolored pack, and I want to say that there's 100 in here. And I just thought these would be beautiful for the centers of paper flowers. Like, oh my gosh, they're going to be just beautiful for anything. Like, look at how pretty these are. And they have like a nice shimmer and shine to them. They are gorgeous. This one will definitely go back into my cart to buy more because I would love to stock up on that. And again, I would sort these out and put it into that container. For 88 cents, yeah, those are beautiful. I definitely need more of those. And then anybody else a Golden Girls fan? I love Golden Girls. So for $1.50, when I saw this on their site, I'm like, oh my gosh, yes, I need to get that little makeup bag immediately. So picture it, Sicily, 1922. Oh my gosh, I just love Sophia. So super, super cute. Oh, that inside's nice and lined too. Wow, that's better than what I thought it was going to be. So yeah, that's really, really nice. And it's a really good size as well. So love that. Let me see. Okay, that's the end of my bag. So let me show you all of the anchor. So there's this anchor that is all the same. I want to say there were 60 anchors in here. And these were $1.58. So I'll take out one of each so I can show you guys. Then there was this anchor set for $1.58, but this one only has 20. And this one has the anchor and the rope. So that's really cute. And then I got a little compass, right? Compass, yes. And that's what that one looks like. Then we're going to add the year because we're going to cruise this year. So we have 2023. And then 2023 was 50 cents, but I don't know how many in there. I think it was maybe 10. And then this set was $2.49, and you get 23 designs, or 23 pieces, but there's different designs. So this one's large. It's a large anchor with a chain. Then there's this anchor with the rope, which is larger than the other one. So you can just see like the size difference. I'll zoom in a minute. This one's just a regular anchor. Here's just another anchor. Oh, this one says love on there. So that anchor just says love. And, oh, that's like a different type of an anchor, like a different style. Oh, there's a little baby anchor that has a ship whale in the middle. Oh, I really like that one. That's cute. Then there's this anchor. Sorry, it's not focusing. And then let me zoom you guys in. So there are all the different anchor styles that I got. I think that's it. Oh, this one says something on it. What does that say? It says made in the US, and then I can't see what else it says. So there's that guy. And I think that's it. Maybe a couple more different. Oh yeah, that one's smaller. So yeah, these are, here's the larger one, there's the smaller one. So yeah, nice little variety. So yeah, you can find anything and everything you are looking for. Temu has it all. If you guys have any questions about shopping on there, if you guys are looking for something and can't find something, you guys can always ask me. I'm more than happy to help you guys out. Like, I'm on there way too much, just browsing and adding to cart and adding to my wish list. Like, it's gotten out of hand. So anyways, that's the little haul for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you later. Bye guys.